back to live. Let's see. Oh man. I think it's been auto playing since I left on like Wednesday. All right. Back. I want to see my channel. There we go. And we have audio. Got audio on YouTube. How's X looking? Live on X. I think we're good there too. Audio on X. And old Twitch should be good as well. Still, I wonder this thing memory leaks. All right, cool. Twitch is looking good. Alrighty. So I kept up with my activity, but I did not track it. So I'm gonna do that. Got a bunch. Oh man. Struggling. All right. Trying to get my fire emoji on Skool for 30 days. I think it's 30 days of 10 activities or more, which is actually really easy to do. So that is a very accomplishable goal. But I'm gonna slowly go catch up on everything. So on the 26th, man, yeah, it's been a while. What was the 26th? Was that? Oh wow! So that was Thursday last week. I hit 30, or no, Friday last week. 38 activities. Friday, 38 activities. That's 28. 38. And then on, yeah, that's right. Because I guess I was here. I streamed until Friday, right? Yeah, so I streamed Friday. I just didn't do the day after, or the day. Yeah, I didn't do the day after. So Saturday was 51, not 541. And then Sunday, I actually did. I actually caught up. Not much, but I did. 32. It was enough. It's one of those where I remembered to do it, so it's good to go. Did it in the morning before I left. And then the 29th, Monday, 75. That was before I left on the trip. And then Tuesday was 81. And Wednesday was 66. On October 1st, new month, which is crazy. Craziness. All right. And then October 2nd, yesterday. Yesterday I had 52. I did it in the, I did it in the morning yesterday. And I think I'm already good for today. 52. Is that what it said? 52? 52. Yeah. What's today? Oh, today's Thursday. Wait. Yesterday was 66. Whoops. So today's, no, we're not doing today yet. It's not over yet. Got a few more. Well, probably not. I probably won't get back to it, but we'll see. I tend to try to batch, what's it called? School. Try to do school mostly in the morning and just catch up with everything. Reply to all the comments and whatnot. All right. Then what else? School members. Yeah, I guess let's see. Oh man, that's crazy actually, because I kind of lost track. I was trying to remember like what the actual numbers were, and I was like, I knew it was over 400, but I couldn't remember exactly how many. All right, so we started on 26th. So September 26th with 422. Then 27th was 429. Then 28th is 437. Twenty-ninth is 440. Uh, 440, and then 30th was 444. Nice, very nice. Then October 1st, 448. Then today's the 2nd, right? So not yet. So one of these is a pretty big jump. Yeah. An 8. Well, 7 and 8. So that was over the weekend? Cool. Or at the end of the week, 27th. Yeah, it's Friday, Saturday. Nice. That's crazy. Crazy to see 450. Almost to 500. Almost 500 members, which is nuts. Very nuts. All right. And then what else we got? So then YouTube already hit the hit the major milestone. Ah, nice. It still kept growing. So let's see. 26th. 26th. Let's go to their analytics. Thought it'd be 1040. 1039. Size and growth. I got to do a video today. So that was the 26th or 27th? 26th? 26. So on the 26th, it was 1026. How about that? 1026. And then on the 27th, probably a few more. 1028. Then on the 28th, wrong one. 1032. 4 more. 1032. And the 29th. 1033. 30th. 1037. And yesterday. 1038. Just one. Slowly but surely. Boom. Yeah, Friday, Thursday. Was that Thursday? Thursday to Friday, I guess, was when. Yeah, probably the biggest one. Nice. Yeah, that was when I guess the video went out. So the video usually helps a little bit. Usually picks up traffic a little bit. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it for tracking. It's my for selfish stuff, I guess. Hey, Craig, how's it going, man? Did my number tracking all caught up? Trying to think if there's anything else. Not really. I think we're gonna go back to generating stuff. Had a good stream, I guess, on Friday last week. Streamed for a little while. Super indeed, man. Super indeed. Good to hear. Yeah, streamed for a little while on Friday. I'm still kind of like I've got a bunch of stuff, and then like didn't really want to go on vacation, but I went on vacation, and just because I've got a lot of stuff still going on, so I got to catch up with some stuff. But we'll do a quick stream today, try to catch up on that, and good to go. So let's see. Yes, let's see. Where was I? We generated audio. I think we actually got good audio too, which is nice. I think I saved it all. Yeah, I saved my lessons. So I think it's gonna try to create some videos out of this stuff. Let's see. I was trying to be somewhat organized about this too. Mixing up my hotkeys. There we go. Okay. I have a dev folder for this project, so I just want to dump all the files into one place just so I don't lose them by accident. Here we go. Let's do new folder here. Test audio. All right, cool. That went through. Alrighty, and then what else? So I think I generated all the slides, right? And they're good enough. I knew they're, they're going to be. Oh, that's right. So we're going to need like a little bit of a system to decide when to show a slide within a video. Because like we'll have the audio. Oh, wait, yeah, because we have the audio, so we have the length of the video now, basically, because it's going to be probably the length of the audio, and then we just need to know when to switch within that audio. So that would require some timestamps. So now I guess I don't want to do that. I guess we already have the original transcript. So I think we can just grab that afterward. So after we generated the audio, then I do this in a separate workflow, right? Have another workflow that will grab, I mean, I guess it's right here. Let's pin. And then I think call just OpenAI again, just like whatever, 03 mini message model, and say, yeah, we don't need to pass in the audio. So then I don't know, given this lecture transcript, wait, we'll need the slides too. So probably need to do that first. So you have title and lesson. Yeah, so we based on the lesson text and then based on the slides. So we'll have to grab all the slides and do that. Don't need to do it for each one of these because we've generated the audio files. So then, I mean, I guess probably what would actually happen is we just upload all the audio first because we don't want to lose it. So like for here, I guess I've already done it technically, but for here we do like an upload. So Drive, Google Drive, upload file. Then yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, so we can just do that. Just do the title of the audio, and then it would just be like whatever. We'd have a folder for it. Like in this case, I have audio test, so it would upload to audio folder. But it'd be the audio folder for the project, which I haven't created yet. I probably should gonna need to change the workflow to do that, to actually create a folder for the project, which I think we talked about. So this would then drop the audio into that folder. In this case, I've already done that. I think I dropped everything into a different an audio test folder. But yeah, let's fix that a little bit. So then once we got the audio, then I need to save that for now. Grab the slides to be able to compare with the text. Each course has its own folder with slides. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I have to keep it all. Oh, each course. Yeah, right. Yeah, each course would have its own folder with audio. Yeah, exactly. I need to restructure that from the beginning, and then then the deliverables. Okay, so then let's see. So then I kind of need to like start over. Basically just need to grab, so either quiz folder, yeah, quiz folder, yeah, for sure. I don't know. This might be me just like not thinking about n8n correctly. So it almost could be an agent kind of thing. I mean, basically after this, we just want to limit it back down to 1, I think. And then oh crap. Yeah. That's fine. Very nice, very nice. Probably need to prefix it. I mean, I guess that doesn't really matter. I don't know if it need how human readable it needs to be. If it needs to be like lesson 1, then title, lesson 2, then title. Maybe. So then I don't want 5 items, so limit it down to 1. And then I think I'm gonna do a get sheets again. So we're gonna get little sheets, get rows and sheet, and then database triggers content. No. To just select it, not open it. Then grab course content, and I think just grab all those rows. Dude, for real? Why do you need to do that again to be able to get to here? I don't understand n8n sometimes. Like I really don't. So then can I pin these? Or are you gonna just keep doing that again after that? All right. So once I've got these, I think I want to go through. I think we'll give the AI. Trying to decide how to structure this. So we need the AI to be able to see the course text and then look through the list of slides and then decide what to do. So does it make more sense? I think I just give it all the data. I mean, it could filter the data down to make it a little bit easier, but I mean, it can read it all and it won't be that heavy because especially now that we've got the data for the slides pretty well compressed, so it's not a huge amount of information. So I think we could pretty safely. I don't think I'm going to do it for all 14 items. I think we just want to do it for each lesson instead. That's where this the data flow makes it tough. So this guy's generating the audio, and then I mean, I guess we probably just I don't know. I don't want to do it here. I think we just end it with this actually, and then do another one because the next one will be yeah. Because I'm trying to do that for the video. So we're gonna do video all in one. So I think this just stays here. This is it. This is done, and then I mean, I guess I could probably execute another node, right? Execute sub workflow or something. Not exactly sure how these should all flow together either. Just because they're getting to because you get to this one's all right. You get to this guy and it becomes incredibly laggy. So just trying to decide like how to keep these guys flowing together. And I mean, I guess they should all flow together continually. I just was trying to make it a little bit modular, so like if one part breaks, you can go back and run it again. Maybe I don't need to worry about that. But generate audio from lessons. So I mean, I guess that's good. I'll do another one. Python task runner, very nice. So then this might be a local host kind of situation because the FFmpeg, I mean, could run in the cloud. That may be more of like a JSON to video kind of thing or like a Banner Bear kind of thing. But I was just going to run it locally, to be honest. So let me see. I forget. I think I have n8n somewhere on this machine running locally. Switching back and forth between running on a laptop, on a MacBook, and then my desktop here. So it's a little confusing. Let's see. Dev. I don't have an n8n folder. Got faster Whisper running on here. Can I just run n8n somewhere? I don't think I have npx installed, do I? Yeah. I don't think I've actually run n8n locally on this one at all. So that could be an issue. Using this on Gemini, how to join a number of lesson slides to lesson audio file in an workflow to ensure the audio is in sync with slide changes to create a video. Yeah, I mean, I know how to do that. I know what to do, but just exactly how to do it. I was gonna run FFmpeg locally. I just need to run n8n locally. I just haven't installed n8n locally, I think, on this machine. So that's the only issue here. So I guess let's do that. Oof, 144,000 stars. I mean, I guess Docker. Yeah, Docker's probably actually the answer there. Let's see. I want to go to another drive. Dev drive. Mcdir n8n local. Cool. All right, then Docker volume create n8n data. Oops, probably spell it right. Docker volume create n8n data. Can I just run that? Probably should actually download it. How about that? Let's download to GitHub desktop. I don't have it running. All right. Just going to download it. What is happening? 24 megabytes should not take that long to download. GitHub's doing something weird. Use FFmpeg and set the slide duration %. Yeah, exactly right. So grab. Yeah, I need to grab the. I guess that's a good point. It's going to need. We might have to do local whisper because we'll need the timestamps on the audio because it won't. We need the transcript of the even though we have the transcript, but transcript won't have the timestamps. So we're gonna have to do the timestamps of the audio. But yeah. So that's okay. So anyway, back to needing to run local. I think I have Whisper already running locally on here. I don't know what's going on. It's letting me download, but it's like it says it's 100% done, but it's not. So then I don't know if GitHub's like doing some sort of check or something, sort of validation. Assuming I think my internet's good. So I just GitHub being weird. Yeah, no, internet's good. Just let me download the GitHub zip, please. Clearly, I don't do a ton on here. I think I have, I think I have Git installed. I don't even know if I have Git installed on this computer, so, which is pretty bad. I've done a little bit of development on here, but not a ton. I think I just haven't taken the time to set up Git. What is going on? So weird. What do I want to do here? GitHub CLI. Why is this? What is going on? Is it done? Oh, now it's done. Super weird. Okay, whatever. Yeah, probably not, right? Oh, wait. Okay, because now it's trying to do it again. Okay. I don't know. Oh, man. It's a rough start. Rough to get back into the swing of things. Okay, so I want to... I guess I'll probably show what's going on. So I downloaded the file. I'm gonna do this. And master. Then unzip it. Extract all. That'll work. How big is this? For real? I guess it's 24 megabytes, but I mean, I guess it's compressed, but I mean, I guess it's probably a couple hundred megs, probably. I mean, I could see that. It's a big project. There's a lot of stuff in here. Also, don't. I mean, I guess I guess it's transferring between hard drives. That's what's taking it a while. So I don't know. I'm gonna get another drink real quick. So I'll be right back while this is doing its thing. Alrighty. Is it done? I think it's done. Okay. Faster. There. Ah, that's right. Always does that. So then that in there. Move that outside. There we go. Cool. So then if I move, I can run that Docker command now. In master, and then do Docker volume create and data. Open .pipe Docker system cannot find specified file. Do I need to have? I have Docker, right? Oh wait, probably should have Docker running, and then I don't know if this like containerized situation is going to recognize that. That might be part of it as well. Oh, WSL had an startup error. Okay. Hey, there we go. I think we're good, right? That work? I think it worked. I said that seemed really fast if it did. Hmm. Oh yeah. Should probably run it. Created the volume, just didn't run it. All right, now let's do it. Hey, all right, we got something. Stuff's happening. We're doing stuff. Sample FFmpeg to command audio, FFmpeg I silent video. I listen. Yeah. Just have to run the command. Yep. Cool. So where were you free break? I was in Louisville, Kentucky for a couple days. Was down there and did some bourbon. Drank some bourbon and was hanging out. It was a good time. Got to sit out. It's actually pretty hot, so I actually got to like sit out at the pool and stuff, which was nice. And yeah, just take it easy. So it was nice to get away. It was nice. It was a nice trip for sure. It was nice to get away. I went to the Evan Williams, which is I guess part of Heaven Hill Distillery. So that was really cool. It was a good time. Had a nice little break. Got a Elvis Kentucky rain. Exactly. Yeah, there you go. In the heart of it. All right. Hey, we've got local. All right, I'm gonna have to create my account for my local and try not to forget it. Got to visit the Blue Ridge Mountains, and you were in Johnson, Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you said you go to Pennsylvania. That's cool. Yeah, so I think it's part of the same mountains, right? Or same range. I'm actually not sure. Not great with that. It's like the Kentucky, and we would go to Gatlinburg a lot. So I know it's kind of the same or similar, greater mountain range, I think. But I actually don't know, to be honest. Okay, yeah. Oh, can I actually log into LastPass now again? Hey, it actually worked. I don't know. I don't know what my password would be. Oh, okay. Cool. I'm doing education. I don't know. What am I? I'm an engineer. Customizing an n8n to myself. Cloud infrastructure orchestration, reporting, ticketing system. What am I looking to automate? It doesn't matter. Cloud, CI/CD, data syncing, other. This is all local, tiny company. Where did I hear about it from? I guess technically YouTube. This is all local, so it doesn't matter. Sure, send me a free license key. Okay, let's create a workflow. So then, trigger manually. Execute command. That's what I want. Execute command. Can we do ffmpeg? Go. Yeah. All right. I was worried about that. So it's installed. I don't know why it won't. Oh wait, did this wrong. This guy can stay over here. This guy over here. There you go. Wait, did it fail or does it not have access? All right, ffmpeg not found. But I have it installed. Pretty sure? Pretty sure. I think. Yep. Oh, but if I switch to it's available on there. Maybe a GPT question. Ready when you are. Okay, so where'd my PowerShell go? All right, so nope, I don't want to add files. I want to add a screenshot. And add another screenshot. Oh, it's because it's running in Docker. Okay, it's running locally. Yeah. Okay, so then. Hmm. I'm running. Wait. Web search. Yeah. In Docker, but I want Docker locally, but I want to have access to ffmpeg on yeah, need to have ffmpeg running somewhere that it's available to Docker. Yeah, totally forgot. I I did it in another project. Just remember where I did it, how I did it. Oh, this is duplicated. Okay, 2 folders. Wait. So if I just run this other one, I think that would actually work. So I've got the other one set up already. All right. CD. I don't know what this. I don't know what this other login is. Crap. This one. They do not have to run in Docker. The only requirement is that ffmpeg executable must be installed and accessible with the same within the same environment where your n8n workflow is running. Right. Yeah. Exactly. So yeah. And I think I already had it. Set up here. If I can remember how to log into this workflow, then I would be good. Where did that go? Can I forget my? I can't do forget my con. Yeah, I forget my password. I uh, that worked. I don't know what it was, but that was a good password. All right. Cool. Okay, then this works. Maybe it doesn't work. Bummer. I thought I had that set up correctly. Well, that's an issue. Unless this is the other instance. Is it switched? Which it might have. If you're running an n8n via Docker, you must install an ffmpeg inside the n8n command container. The standard n8n Docker image does not include ffmpeg default. Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Don't you just need to create a custom Docker image, create a file named Docker file, following contents? Yeah, exactly. I have a project that's already got that all set up. That's what I was switching to. So I was trying to do instead. But it is not working apparently. Open with cursor. Yeah, sorry, I should have done some more prep for local. Thought I had it all good to go already, but apparently not. And trying to do it on the fly here. It should be there though. Just wonder if it's running the wrong one. So I thought I stopped the other one. Because that one shut down. But it might use the same data instance. I think so though. So I'm pretty sure I did it in another video. I had the local kit working. Does Whisper work? /bin/shell. Yeah. I don't see the errors in that log though. I would think that I would see it there. So let's see. Typo. So Docker build was build. Yeah, there we go. All right. See what happens with this. Yeah, if it's all contained in Docker, right? If it's running on Docker, then yeah, you'll have to have it all installed in the same container because it needs to be able to have access to that local AI outside. Yeah, exactly. Then you can just make the local AI its own service. So like that's fine. Let's see. Working on it now. So this is installing, or it's rebuilding. It's been a while. It looks like I ran this back in July, so been a few months, but I'm gonna rebuild this, and then hopefully then this will work, because this should have everything, because it's pip install OpenAI Whisper. Then it installs FFmpeg. Well, I think it needs FFmpeg for Whisper, so it ends up doing both anyway. So it's installing n8n locally, then it's installing Whisper. Yeah, then it runs n8n on 5678. So this guy should have it all. Just needs it to rebuild, I guess. Slowly but surely. I'm sure it probably like deleted it all or whatever, and then because I started with the other instance, it might have been running some other Docker instance instead. So hopefully get it updated and be good to go. But this is good actually, because we needed both. I think we're gonna have to transcribe the audio to be able to get the timestamps. And then once we've got the audio timestamps, then we can say, hey, here are the slides, here are the timestamps, or here's the transcript transcript timestamps. Figure out when to switch slides, and really it should only be, show title for a minute, then show slide, and then if there's more than one slide, then show the slide based on the topic and when to switch it. But yeah, like kind of like you had earlier, it should be a really simple payload that would just be like from 0 to whenever show image 1, then from that point to next point show image 2, And if that happens to be it, then just show it for the rest. So then once you've got the timestamps, that makes it really easy because then you can just run an FFmpeg command that just like whatever. It's like a complex filter, I guess, but it'd just be like play audio, and then while audio is playing, at time show video or show image, overlay image, which would be like from 0 to whenever, and then update that. Then like at certain time, change overlay from first image to second image at a specified time, and then that's it. Then you should get a video back, and it'll basically be a simple course lecture. It'll have your audio with automatically changing background slides, and then I guess burned in. Do you want to do burned in subtitles? Would be the only thing, or oh crap, yeah, conductor, what's up, man? I don't know how extensible you want to make the titles and like what the platform requirements are for subtitles, but if you need to have separate files, I think you had something in the documentation about that. But if we need like SRT files or not, because otherwise you can burn them into it. You can burn the subtitles into the video; they just won't be whatever extensible or changeable or whatever, which shouldn't really matter. But it looks like connect to TTS. I think you had something about that. Slide text, caption generation. Yeah, SRT file. And I don't know if the platform needs it or not, or if you just like I don't know if you need to provide the SRT file to the platform, or if you just need to use the SRT file to burn the subtitles into the video itself, and that way the video just already has subtitles. That's two different processes. Doctor, how's it going, man? Thanks for stopping by. What is today? Thursday? Lost all track of time this week. How's your week going, man? Hopefully going well. Still learning, still catching up on everything. Hopefully this will work. Still taking the time. We're installing Whisper as we speak, so we'll give that a minute. Hopefully this doesn't. I mean, this is a pretty beast of a computer, so I would be surprised if this starts running into memory limitations and all that. Like, we should be good. I mean, I like to run a lot of stuff, but I don't think I should be capping out the resources on this bad boy yet. I think I've got a performance here somewhere. I have my internet, because my internet was crashing last week. Got the new AirPods Pro 3 last weekend, and the live. Oh, whoa, yeah, live translation would be really cool. Actually, just tested it where someone spoke Spanish to me here back in the age. That's crazy. Actually, that's really nuts. That's awesome, man. I mean, that's what I was saying with this. Like, when I finally got, there's a project called Faster Whisper that tries to actually utilize your GPU to do the transcriptions and stuff. And man, like it can transcribe this entire 2-hour stream in like a minute. Like, it's insane how fast it can do that. So I'm sure audio to audio, basically Tower of Babel. Yeah, exactly. It reminds me of the book Timeline, where they travel back in time and they kind of yada yada over that part, but basically they're given little earpieces. They're like, well, you'll hear, they're going to speak whatever they speak, because it was like they went back to whatever the 1600s, and it was like older versions of French and German, but it's like it'll just automatically translate it for you, so you'll just hear normal English when you're there. So it's just kind of like that. But it's crazy that like that's here. That can happen now. It can do it. So that's awesome, man. Very cool. Okay, let's try this bad boy again. I'm a little nervous that I just have some bad config here. All right, it's running. Let me make sure I can get into it. Yeah, still same thing. All right, we'll troubleshoot this a little bit. Be cool to see how it works if two people are wearing them and trying to converse because my response back just on the phone. They have to read it. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. Unless you spontaneously learn how to speak in Spanish, or yeah, or then they can just hear you talk back and then it translates for them. That would be crazy. Yeah, then it's just like it doesn't matter. You can just talk to whoever you want. It'll translate in real time, both ways. That's nuts. I mean, that's a pretty smart play on Google or not Google, Apple's part. Because like that's pretty universal, just being able to translate language. It's weird because they've been slacking on Siri, and I'm guessing like the OpenAI thing must have fallen apart or whatever. So, but that's a pretty practical use case, being able to just translate on the fly like that. So it's not a bad strategy. Very universal. Um, okay. Do a little debugging here, I guess. I should be able to do this with this setup. All right. I can't provide screenshots and do internet search at the same time. Local n8n's working, so let's do that. And then I gotta get cursor back up. Well, let's see. Here's the Docker file. Or below, let's say below is the Docker file. Given that I ran Docker compose and accessed that n8n instance, I should be able to use the execute command node to call ffmpeg, right? But when I do, I get this error. I'm not going to search. I'm just going to do screenshots for now. Granted, I'm not providing params for ffmpeg, but I would expect the default response, not an error. Okay, and then here's my Docker file. Ooh. Help me out, GPT. Let's go. Thinking longer. How's the rest of the week looking for you, conductor? How was this week? Big plans for the weekend? You're almost there, almost done. Friday tomorrow. I guess I could have provided it this as well, just to let it have some context in what's going on. But busy week, but almost done. Atta-way. Are we mid sprint? Are we end of sprint? I would assume busy week means end of sprint. Are the sprints going faster? Getting more stuff? Knocking out all those tasks? Oh. From that Docker file to the execute command is why I'm confident. Explicitly notes. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Maybe I'm running running because I started the other n8n and maybe it's conflicting or something. And a sprint tomorrow. I was trying to close almost everything today. Don't you miss sprint life? It's been a while, man. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had to do the sprint life. Uh, I mean, I guess it's not so bad. It does create that cycle of tension, I guess, that you know, keeps you honest, keeps you on track so that things don't just drag out forever. But yeah, it's been a while. I still get my own deadlines, but not quite to the sprint. No more closing the board kind of thing. That's good. Hopefully it's close. Hopefully by tomorrow you'll be in a good spot. It won't be too bad. All right. So what do I want to do? I guess build no cache, build up D. Or is up D is with no is headless, right? Yeah, just runs it crap runs in the background. All right. Try it again. Yeah, something's going on. Something's not quite right. We can try this again. Docker. Oh, that's running headless. That should fail. Cool. Try Docker compose build no cache. It's going to take a minute. Take a minute once again. Oh yeah. Wait. Let me give it that too. So open this with cursor. Is n8n data? n8n data is not in there, right? Yeah, I don't see it. So I don't think I created a conflict. I have n8n storage. Hey there, Isaac. How's it going, man? Started a new world. Oh, nice. Started up New World last night. Yeah, MMORPG. Yeah, I played it the last couple of years, but they did a big reboot, and it's pretty nice. Yeah, I never actually played it. I remember it coming out. It was a big deal. I kind of watched how everybody just burned through the content really quickly, and then then they were done. Then everybody was bored with it, and they moved on to something else. Which I mean, I guess that's kind of how it is at this point. Everybody has too much time on their hands. So they just burn through all these games. So there's really no winning there. But that's cool. I know they've been around. Like it sounded like it was a pretty solid game. It just yeah, there wasn't quite enough to do, and I'm sure that'll always be the case. But I didn't know they were doing a big reboot, so that's cool. Did they like a new expansion or something like that? Isaac, thanks for coming back, man. How's it going? All right, talking about exactly what the issue in a service running latest Alpine, which doesn't include FMPeg. Execute node runs inside the container, so it's a fixed issue. Install it into the running container, which won't persist. Oh, do I just? Oh, right. So I think I have it set up. I have it set up to run on a different service. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I just call it through the Whisper service. Oh man. Duh. I don't need to read. Can I just stop the build? I guess I'll just let it build. I'll just let it finish. I totally forgot. Not following my own system. I bet this is even in the README, isn't it? I think I have my example where it's like, oh yeah, just call /whisper. Docker compose up build. Yeah, so transcribe. You can get the transcription back, and then ffmpeg is also on the same one. Oh man, I'm an idiot. All right, well we'll get there. So that's progress. That'll be something. We'll let this finish up, and then hopefully can get a quick transcript, and then get a video for the day, and I gotta jump to 15 other projects to catch up on today. So I got a lot to do today. What are we doing? Just want to say hey guys. Today's a busy day. See you later on the community. Thanks, Isaac. Yeah, man. Good luck. Hey, man. Yeah, you have a good day too. Yeah, good luck with your stuff. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. See you later. Yeah, I'm gonna try hopefully to have something posted later today. Might not get a video until Friday, so depends on what's going on. Step 3, fast API. That's right, yeah. So fast API is just to get the Whisper service up, so we get an API created out of that, and then hopefully this will work. Almost there. Didn't so I know Molson was doing Borderlands 4, so it didn't hop on the Borderlands 4 train conductor. Nice. Sticking with what's it called? New World. I played a little bit of Diablo 4. I was doing that. I haven't been streaming it, but it's been good. This is kind of a crazy season. The power creep is real, which I don't mind. The last couple seasons I haven't been playing that much, so I've been kind of annoyed that I couldn't get to mythic level equipment because it took too much grinding. I was not progressing fast enough. But this time around, it looks like it'll be way faster. I haven't played a ton, but I'm already making pretty good strides. So that's been good. We'll see. That maybe part of the streaming eventually. Hopefully this guy's going to catch up here in a minute. Nice. Exporting to image. Close. 5 of 5. That's not bad. What? 6 minutes? 6 minutes to build all that stuff. And probably need to start. I don't know. It's only been a couple months, I guess, so it shouldn't be too out of date. But it's like it's probably need to start updating. It's probably gonna get out of date. Docker compose up. Well, let's go. The only other thing is local. So I think I have a data folder, so I can put it in the data folder. Yeah, share data. So I think they're gonna have to go in there. Question generator, test audio, lesson 1 audio. So put it in there. Then localhost. Oh, what's going on? All right, this guy. Cool, go away. Overview. Either one of these is fine. So that's a problem. So I can't do that. But if I do HTTP requests, then do .com. Reference my own stuff. do a post, call the URL. Form fields, right? Yeah, form data. Then I think it's called file. We're going to read file from disk, read file from data, slash data. Forget exactly how to do this. Is there a way to just like get all the files? Or do I need the file name? Probably need the file name. That. I forget how to do this. Save. Shared folder slash data. Okay. Yeah, so that should work. Nothing. Wait, did it matter? The file wasn't there when I started, so that also could be an issue. I think I have to do that. Okay, we're live again. So then if I run this guy, this might pick it up. Or not. We'll pick up the other guy. Oh, it's not in, or yeah, it is. It's an MP3. All right. We'll pick up this thing. KB. Go. No. Okay. Wait. Yeah, did I mount it as slash shared? Okay. That could be an issue. Docker compose. Might have a winner. It's doing something. Or not. Uh-oh. Am I running out of memory or something? Too much stuff going on? That would be why, because the 2.5 gigabyte file. That's a lot. That's a big file. All right, so not that. We want lesson 1 audio. There we go, 3.65. That's much better. So then if I do that, data, go. Requested invalid, could not be processed. You expected upload file. What am I missing here? Yeah, that should work, right? That should be the local. No form data in a binary file. There we go. Data. That should work. All right, so that should give a transcript, a bunch of transcripts from the audio file. Mostly we just want the timestamps. And I did word timestamps, word level timestamp. Yeah. Okie doke. So we have the timestamp. So then do we just write that to a file, I guess? Write the file path, shared slash the file name. Dot replace dot mp3 with dot text. Or wait, this is a JSON, right? So dot JSON. Don't need a space. Let's do that. Blah, blah, blah. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, fair enough. Binary. So convert to. Yeah, there we go. Well, it's not. It's really just JSON data. Yeah. How do we do it again? So we've got the JSON. Grabbing the audio, grabbing the transcript. I mean, might as well save the transcript, right? So then write file to disk. I just need to convert the data. Not to JSON, but I guess from JSON. Yeah, I guess that's right. Okay. Binary convert. Convert to text file. That's what I want. Okay. Let's do the whole thing. So expression. Like that. Problem? Struggling. The so I want to extract from file. I guess, right? Extract from JSON. But it's not input binary data. I want to turn. I just want to write this to a file. That's all I want to do. Man, I don't know. brain's not working today. What do I want to do here? So how do I write JSON data to a JSON file? Seems like I need to convert the JSON to binary first. Convert to file. But then why did the, I mean, I guess that'll work. Let's do that. Yeah, all right. I just didn't like the other one. All right, whatever. Cool. And that should give us a text file or .json file. Cool. Then now, so that gives the timestamps. Then get Google Sheets. Get rows and sheets. Uh-oh, that could be an issue. I think I can do that. Just have to go get my details. Classic back button that just leads to logging out. Great. Client credentials. There we go. So I need my client. Do I have to add the callback probably? Oh yeah, there we go. Which one do I need? Oh, it's already there, so it should work. Client secret. Save. Hmm. Should be able to connect. We'll sign in with that access token. Yeah, weird. Hey, good morning. Hello. Man, busy all of a sudden. What's up, guys? Let's see. I don't know why it's not, should be able to pull this back. That's my client. So the callback is correct, right? That matches that. Yeah, that's good. That should work, as far as I know. But I guess, yeah, so save it, restart it, try it again. Dude. Yeah, it's not letting me validate. It's weird. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some probably have to do some troubleshooting just to get this up and running. But the next steps here, so was able to read the audio file, so we can use Whisper to then transcribe the audio file and get the transcript back. Then I was writing the transcript to just a JSON file, just so it's stored somewhere. And then next, I was going to grab all of the Google Sheets data again. So I was going to grab all the slides so we can get all the slide IDs, so it knows like basically the slide data, and then the course text. Actually, we don't need the course text because we just just retranscribed it with the timestamps. So all I would do is pass in the timestamps that we just pulled, and then pass in all of the slides so that just for that one lecture, so I can say, hey, here are your lecture slide options. Here's the timestamps for the lecture. Decide at what timestamp to switch the slide. And so once we've got OpenAI connected to that, does that work? Is OpenAI going to work, or is that going to be an issue? To create another credential here. Okay, yeah, so that should be like an API thing, so that should be fine. So I'll have to figure out how to set that up, but all right. Yeah, so that's not bad. I kind of forgot. Yeah, I forgot about the local setup. I figured this was going to be kind of a pain, just because I have to switch. Can't just use the cloud stuff anymore. And really, I mean, we could do most of it cloud anyway. Like we just did a different service, which I think again, there's a couple services out there that will let you do FFmpeg type stuff. Whisper we can definitely do because that is a hosted API. These audio files would be less than 25 megabytes, so those would fit into their limits. So most of this could be cloud hosted again as well, and maybe that would be the case. But just need to make sure I can get back to the Google Sheets. I don't know why this should be able to connect. I know I've done it before, but something's probably happening just because it's between different machines or something, and there's some local host situation or whatever. So I have to figure out what's going on there. But this is why self-hosting is also kind of an issue, because you have to deal with the networking aspect of this. We have different systems trying to call each other. But anyway, so not bad. We made some progress. I was able to get a transcript or get some timestamps for the audio file, and then we'll hopefully use those timestamps to create a video here soon. So, but Craig, it's good to be back. Good to be back on. Thanks for joining, man. Thanks for coming back. I'll probably stream tomorrow afternoon central-ish. So probably a little bit later than normal. I mean, this morning was like 10-ish, but yeah, tomorrow probably more like 1-ish, unless I can get ahead of schedule. So that'll be planned for tomorrow. Try to see if I can get this stuff working. But yeah, gonna call it today. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Craig, thanks for coming back, man. We'll keep plugging along on this one. Conductor, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it, man. Isaac as well. Thanks for stopping in to say hey. And then yeah, the guys at the end. Yeah, I'll email you when I get on. So yeah, sounds good. I can let you know. And Jyoti Swaran and Maniro, thanks for popping in. Hello, and I will catch you guys later. See ya. Thanks.